Can you pedal? You're doing it. Oh. I should have steered you. Let's go this way. Okay, pedal. Pedal. You pedal? Today is December 23rd, 2013, and Jude just learned how to pedal a tricycle. But it's the steering that he doesn't have down yet. Good thing I can steer him from the back with this cool handle. You're going fast! Good job, buddy.
I'm going to bye-bye.
You're going to bye-bye? Good job.
Then I'm going to earn bluffing.
I don't know what that was you just said.
I'm going to home.
You're going to home? Okay. Bye-bye.